Construction progress, Barcelona new stadium Spotify Camp Nou. Starting off in the corner section, you can see they're currently working on connecting new cantilevers. Last week, we saw some structures, and now it's confirmed they are indeed cantilevers. What's interesting is that they're different from the ones in the lateral sections. The terraces here are narrower than in the main stands, making this design unique. Crews are using platforms to fix bolts underneath these cantilevers, and though progress has been steady, there's still plenty of work to be done. Moving on to the north goal area, workers are setting up scaffolding and placing reinforcing steel bars. You might have noticed a large crack in the foundation. Don't worry, it's part of the process, and they'll fix it soon. We've also spotted some new panel installations, though work on the pillars seems to have slowed down a bit lately. Heading over to the main stand, significant progress is being made. They're installing panels for the second level, which will eventually lead into the stadium. The left side wall is now fully enclosed and ready for concrete. From here, you can already imagine how high the terrace will rise, offering stunning views of Barcelona. Lastly, let's not forget the southern goal. It's buzzing with activity as they lay down more steel and prepare for concrete pours. This area is coming together quickly, with new beams and platforms being installed almost daily. It's incredible to see how this section, which will house the most passionate fans, is taking shape. That's it for today's update. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on this incredible project. Thanks for watching, and until next time.